Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Jayria, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to make a nutritious strong back drink for your man. So continue watching guys, and let's jump right into this recipe.
We just fall in love, you and I about to fall in love.
Welcome back guys. So these are all my ingredients. I have oats, peanuts, okra, dragon, Irish mush, supligen, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, rose water, tin milk, and I also have one frozen ripe banana. So let's start. Alright guys, so to a pot of boiling water I'm going to add 6 okra to cook. So after roughly 8 minutes, my okra is cooked to perfection. So now I'm going to put the peanut and the oats to soak in some dragon. I'm using 2 dragon. You can also use guineas as well. That I'm going to cover the container and let it soak for a while. There's no set time in which you soak your oats and peanut, but I soak mine between 5 to 6 hours. So this is how it's looking after roughly 6 hours of soaking. So now I'm going to combine all the ingredients in a blender. So let's do that. So first I'm adding the soap mixture. That's the oats, the peanut with the dragon, and then I'm going to add my okra. But guys, the water that I used to cook the okra, I add it as well. It's not much, but yes, I add it as well. Next, I'm adding all my liquid ingredients. So I'm going in with the Irish moss, the supligen, vanilla, and the rose water. So guys, I do not have a specific measuring amount. I'm just going in with what I think is enough. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to taste the mixture, and then if it needs more spice, then I will just add some more. And guys, do not forget to add your frozen ripe banana. Well, it doesn't have to be frozen, but this is gonna add volume to the consistency. So yes, you definitely need to add a ripe banana to your mixture. So now I'm going in with my sweetener. I'm using condensed milk. You can use some honey as well, but that is optional. And of course, I'm going to add some nutmeg. So as you can see, I'm grating my nutmeg. So after I add all the ingredients to the blender, I'm going to blend. I set my blender on automatic juice. So once it stops blending, then that's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour out a glass, set in the freezer to cool for my man. So this is basically how I made this strong back nutritious drink that is suitable for men. So ladies, please go ahead and try this recipe and you will thank me, okay? And also don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And I will see you all on my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.